A very good morning. Students, we all were talking about the fish marketing. Then, in that, we all had already discussed that how the fish is coming to the market and what are the fishery society. Then, today we all will be talking about the other part of that. Today, import or export also we all have done. Today, we will start with the global marketing. What do you mean by global marketing?
International marketing.
International market. Very good, Nasir. See, when we say global marketing, now see, last lecture we had already discussed about the issues related to the fisherman, that they are not getting the desirable cost what they want, because see, fishing is a very hard earning job, so they are investing so much of hard efforts. And I told you that the job of fisherman is not very easy. He gets up early in the morning, and not morning also, actually midnight they are going for harvesting the fish. Then thereafter, early morning, very early morning, they are coming on the dock. If you will go to the Bhauchadakka Sassoon dock, you will come to know that up to, if you will go 6 o'clock morning, you will be very late to see the landing. At midnight time only, almost 4 to 5 a.m between, they will be landing all the fish and all, irrespective of the seasons. All the seasons they are working very hard, except the rainy season. That also, when it is high alert, they do not go to the this see, that otherwise they are working almost in all the season, so their job is extremely hard. And thereafter, and see, early first slide we all have discussed the problem that the fisherman is selling at this particular rate, we are purchasing, we are feeling, Arey, what investment they all have done, they are selling it at the rate of 350 kg, 500 kg and all. But actually, the real fisherman who is doing all this hard work, he is not getting the actual that price. So there is a way. Now, last lecture we have just learned how to do the import and export formalities, and what could be the various processing for import as well as the export we have done. But now, see, fishermen, if they will be selling it to the global market, so they may get the very good price of the same, very good price of their particular product. So to meet the their own objective to get the good money, they will sell it, as well as what is going to be happen, they will be getting the more and more customers. Suppose if you are constricted to one particular area, so one particular time that customer may not require the fish, maybe there is a season, then I don't remember. At Navratri time only, more majority of the Hindu, they do not eat the fish in our country, and we have the majority of this Shravan. Yes, Shravan 10 or 14 days something. They all don't eat the fish. So that particular time, it affects the rate of the fish. So at that particular time, and there are many other seasons also. Suppose if it is Bakra Eid, so majority of the Muslims, they will not prefer to have fish because they will be having lots of meat at their home. So all such situation, all such cultures, they affect the rate of the fish, and they affect the rate of market. In terms, it affects the economy of the fisherman. So if the fish will be sale globally, so all that particular time, new and new opportunities will come. Here they are selling one fish, say example 500 rupees kg, tuna 500 rupees kg they are selling, say example. And if you, they will be selling it into the foreign country, small container of hardly 200 300 grams, they will be selling at the same rate. We will take a very simple example in market. if we are purchasing potato, hardly 20-30 rupees kgs potatoes are there. Is it or not? This would be the rate. At the most 40 rupees honga. I don't know actually actual rate of the potato, but I think it will be in the range between 20 to 40. But if you will purchase the potato chips, any brand, okay, say example Balaji, Lays, any brand, so only 20 gram rupees pack we are paying. How much we are giving? 10 rupees. So 20 gram 10 rupees. You imagine at what cost we are getting the potato chips. Okay, 20 gram. I will calculate. Approximate for getting 100 gram, you will be paying 50 rupees. Is it or not? So this way the price multiplies if you process. So slowly they also become smart fishermen. They also learn the business management to provide the valuable product, solution, services to the customer locally, nationally, internationally, and worldwide. So this is called as the global marketing. So they are also refining their products, and they are trying to sell it globally. When we talk about the international market, so directly we cannot sell it from to the international market. We have learned in the previous lecture that there is import export process, so we have to export our material. So for that you require the franchising, then joint venture of the full direct entry of organization, product or service into another country. Then you have to settle your business into the other country, and all that can be export means achieved by the exporting company's product into the another location, entry through a joint venture with another firm in the target country, or foreign direct investment into the target country. Now see, these all procedures we had already discussed, that how to do the process of the export. So if we will be exporting it, we can sell it to the other countries also. So same way, the thing is that you require to do the processing in Palghar. I have seen that in many ships they are first of all, whatever catch hold they are catching, they are freezing it, and thereafter they are doing the processing. But unfortunately, when I visited the ice factory that time, they said that Alana's के यहाँ पर ship आते हैं, and thereafter they are processing all this thing, and they are sending it, they are exporting it. So that particular day means they have their certain days, and that time only they are doing. So when I visited Palkar, I could not see that thing, that processing. So they are processing it, and they are immediately exporting. Even I have visited one prawns hatchery. So they said that we are deheading, because see, prawn head, it contains very active microbial component over it. So they simply remove the head of the product, only deheading they are doing, and thereafter they are freezing it, and they are exporting it, but not the internationally. They are doing it nationally only. And see, once my sister, she was cooking, so I simply asked her, what are you cooking? She said prawns. मैं बोली अकोला में prawns कहाँ से आ रहे? तो she said अरे how, because see, Akola is a city where, or you can say the village also, it is a place where कहीं भी दूर दूर तक there is no ocean, and there is no such environment कि वहाँ पर prawns मिले. So everything is available in every area. Suppose if in Kalyan they are getting, I guess 400 500 rupees kg है prawns का. So if they are selling 400 500, Kalyan is very nearby to Mumbai. But in Akola they are getting 1,000 rupees per kg. So this way they are to get the good price. They are transporting it. Yeah, I do agree. There is a investment into the transport, but they are not transporting it one small kg 2 kg. They are doing it on the large scale. They have actually they have their, there are five-star hotels, so they have connection with that five-star hotel where they require the continuous supply. So whenever the local people they want to do they want to purchase all this thing, they are selling, means there are some small dealer type people, and they are dealing it, and they are selling it into the local market also at the high cost. Now, what are the advantages of the global market? The best advantage is that here we it is very much beneficial. It economizes the scale in production as well as the distribution. Because see, when I am getting the excessive product, as I gave you example that in the earlier time, the fisherman whatever extra catch hold he used to get, he used to dry it up because he was not having any other option. But now here he do not worry about the production as well as the distribution, because see why they were worried that if I will get the excessive catch hold, I will not be getting so many customers. They have their bonded customer, and if we are selling it global level, so it lowering the market cost, right? How it is lowering the market cost? Marketing costs, see here just now I gave example that it will touch to many people, so every level the marketing cost is increasing. But directly if you will be selling it globally, so that particular time marketing amount you will be getting that good cost. It improves the power and scope, consistency into the brand image, whatever. Now here it is known. Now we also have few of our good fishermen from whom we are purchasing the fish. I don't go to the market, but still we have whenever we are sending someone to buy the market for us. So my mother-in-law always give instructions, so and so buy se hi lena hai. That means that we know that that particular person sells the fresh thing. Whatever cost they are charging, then we are ready to pay. Why? Because it is the brand image. All right. So ability to leverage the good ideas quickly and efficiently, uniformity of the marketing practices, that if we are selling on the global level, so we will be uniforming the price. It is not like that. We will be changing. Helps to establish the relationship outside of the political area. Then we help it helps to encourage the ancillary industries to be set up to cater the need of global player. All way we are getting the customers. Moreover, that everywhere we are getting chance to sell. Benefits of e-marketing over traditional marketing we will discuss. Now see, traditional marketing we will be selling here and there. E-marketing is that we are selling our product to the long distance. E-marketing has actually a very profitable business. The thing is, you don't require any shop, you don't require the marketplace, only the processing unit is there. From directly processing unit you will be attaching with the customer is also happy that they are not getting in between dealers rate, they are getting the direct that particular amount. So there are lots of benefit there of the traditional market. Now we will be discussing about that how this marine product they are getting good finance and they are getting strength, because initially what happens that the fishermen they with their own investment, small investment, they were doing the fishery business, and thereafter they were not getting the huge income out of it. As we will have discussed that it has a very good economic opportunities to have the fishery business on the grand global level. Not even if we will take the global level, on the local level also, if we will be doing in a proper way, it is the most profitable business. So student, when we are uh, doing all such things, so that particular time we are getting the great demand. We will be discussing about all this financial issue institute into the next lecture. Just a minute.